Hi everybody, as you can see I've just finished another of my rather fun tutti fruity necklaces. This one has got aquamarine, lepidolite, that's a lepidolite there, purpley. We've got purple striped agate, we've got white clear quartz, we've got red, or rather pink striped agate, and we've got the most gorgeous citrine, and of course that is peridot. So I'm looking forward to selling this to somebody that really loves something special. And I have all the information necessary about what benefits each of these stones will bring to you. There we are. Guess what I forgot to mention? We've got two different sorts of citrine in here. I don't know if you can see the difference under there. And we also have the rose quartz, which I also forgot to mention. And of course, we've got the amethyst as well. So here we have something for everybody in a beautiful summer necklace. I hope somebody's going to love it and wear it with pride. Bye-bye.